Right.
Are you serious? Are you serious, guys? We've got a situation developing right now, a major data breach of healthcare patients' personal information. This is not good. It happened in the state of Michigan, and this really been kind of buried on the current world event news. But we certainly have a situation developing that has to be addressed here this morning. Let me tell you what happened. Here's the info coming out of the Detroit Free Press. Security breach has grown. Hundreds of thousands of healthcare customers have been affected in the state of Michigan as there's been a major breach of security of information. What they're saying is took place, very disturbing, but it has affected thousands of customers. This happened back in late September of 2018. This massive malware attack at a Detroit-based Wolverine Solutions Group, a contractor that provides mailing and other services for hospitals and healthcare companies, may have compromised the personal and medical information of hundreds of thousands of people nationwide. And among the companies whose customers already have gotten notification of the security breach are Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan, Health Alliance Plans, McLaurin Healthcare, Three Rivers Health in southwestern Michigan, North Ottawa Community Health Systems in Grand Haven, Michigan, and at least two hospitals in northwestern Pennsylvania, the Warren General Hospital and the University of Pittsburgh's Medical Center, Kane. Are you serious? And this is why Virtual Shield says, look, you have to come up with ways to protect your own information personally, because out there in the world, there's always breaches, security breaches, thefts, identity thefts of information that's out there already making you vulnerable. The last thing you want is people just zeroing in on you personally at your home or your devices, which they certainly would do. Matter of fact, according to reports we have, there's this major concern of now Facebook app, the Facebook app that you put on your phones. Well, what we're finding out is that it reveals your location. Okay, so maybe you've said, okay, you've disabled your location on your GPS. Okay, but that's not going to help if you put the Facebook app on your phone. Now you can still be tracked. Your IP address can still be tracked through Facebook apps. What? So Virtual Shield wants to help you right here with this. This is they're doing this right now up top. Not even, you don't have to purchase anything. They just want to share this with you first. Every app installed on your smartphone with permission to access location service can continually collect your real-time location secretly, even in the background when you do not use them. So do you know? Installing Facebook app on your Android or your smartphones automatically gives the social media company your rightful consent to collect the history of your precise location. If you were not aware of that, there's a setting called location history in your Facebook app that comes enabled by default, allowing the company to track your every movement, even when you're not using the social media app. Now, they're not breaking the law by doing this. It's automatically in the app. You have to disable it, okay? I'm just giving you this free tip. So every time you turn on location service GPS setting on your smartphone, it, let's say for using Uber apps or Google Maps or Facebook, starts tracking your location instantly. Okay, every time. So users can manually turn off Facebook's location history option off for the app settings to completely prevent Facebook from collecting your location even when you're not even using the Facebook app. Okay, so that's a free tip from Virtual Shield. And boy, I tell you, Virtual Shield is really on top of this. They're trying their best to protect people. Now, let me tell you what's going on, okay, as it relates to that, because we're finding out more and more and more information. So having said that, let me tell you something else happening. How concerning are you about your privacy and protecting yourself with your IP address so people don't know your IP address? Now, to use a friendly social media app in 2019, we have to worry about them collecting the background locations and information. So remember, protecting yourself online goes beyond your GPS location. Apps can still track where you are and what you do online using your IP addresses and browsing history. To protect yourself from these threats and attacks on your privacy, please use Virtual Shield VPN. And this is amazing what they've done now there to make it so much easier. This month, Virtual Shield is offering a spring special, 30% off all VPN plans and all premium add-ons, including Protection Plus. This is residential access, monthly maintenance, phone support, and a VIP performance performance plan that really it's as low as $3 a month. $3 a month. And don't forget about the IdentiSafe, which also allows the customer and the ability to block off computer microphones and camera access. That's that spyware, that malware spyware, okay? And from any unwanted spies and hackers, you can protect yourself by using this VPN Virtual Shield technology. For anyone that is paranoid about the government watching you or listening to every move you make, every step you take, every keystroke you make, they are watching you. If you want to protect yourself from that, okay, you definitely want to get this Virtual Shield plan for as low as $3 a month, okay? Now, for anyone that is paranoid about this, please consider getting the IdentiSafe as well, okay? So remember, Virtual Shield, it's one of the easiest VPNs to use in the world. It's one of the fastest VPNs in the world, and there's a no-log policy, protects the users from any data breaches. So, look, I'm telling you, go. Matter of fact, here's another URL. I'm going to put this right in the description. You can go to virtualshield.com. So it's www.virtualshield.com/your customer extension, okay, or customhidewith.com link, okay, and save some more. Now, if you want to find out all about that, simply just go to the URL that Brock has put on the screen. Go to, the Virtual Shield using the Begley connection. Hit that. That takes you straight into Virtual Shield, and then they can walk you through what you need. All right. Certainly, it will help protect you. I think that this is a great decision that many of you are making because we're living in a world filled with identity thieves. And the real focus here is, did you even know that some of these apps you're using is also tracking you? And then, who knows where it goes from there. People want to have privacy. They want to be protected, their identity and their location where they're at. Okay? Just look, it's a way of life. It's what people really want. We're tired of not having that kind of protection. So once again, I hope this is a service announcement that kind of helps many of you out there. Okay, so again, Brock, would you put my URL on the screen one more time? Go to Virtual Shield, use the URL that includes Begley there so they know that you're coming from me, that I'm helping you and showing you how you can have protection with this VPN. There it is. So go to www.virtualshield.com/deals/active/Begley. Go there, find out more about Virtual Shield. And God bless all of you. And I'm praying for your protection of your family because as a pastor, I always plead the blood of Christ over everyone out there in Jesus' name. I'll be back with more information and a great program today at 12 noon Eastern you don't want to miss. Plus tonight, I'll be live at 7 p.m. with Mike from around the world. God bless all of you.